Hey, hello. Welcome to the end of Thursday. I stayed up pretty late doing some studying stuff, to practice exams, chemistry, you know what. This is like so fun, but such great visibility, such terrible visibility. Opposite of great, in fact. Let's see. I had my lab today, my bioengineering lab, and it was pretty straightforward. You know, we got done in like 45 minutes, but that means we'll be doing a second lab next week as like a follow-up, because we're working with bacteria, and bacteria take a little bit to grow. Organic life takes time to measure and to do anything with. Let's see. After that, I studied for a little bit, then I went to work. I did work. Then I went to the student center, and I studied for like another hour and a half, and then I went in and took the test. I like absolutely focused on the math segments of it when I was studying, because I knew those would mess me up the most. So I memorized like the vast majority of like the equations and how to do them, and I left with an 83%. So, you know, better than expected once again, and just of holding that standard of like a B. Tomorrow, and I guess tonight, I get to redo it with math. And I'm really not looking forward to this one, both because it's math and because it's everything we've done since the start of the semester. The good news is the next one's going to be a lot simpler, or like there'll be less parts to it, but there will also be much more difficult math, which I've already started on a little bit, and I'm not enjoying it. I got back, I relaxed a little bit, I started pulling up whatever practice exams or other things that I have for math, and then I got a little notification, a reminder that they're hosting a haunted house, so I went over and did that. It's very simple, a lot of like cheap scares, but I'm assuming they also had like no budget, so they did a pretty good job. And after that, I checked the time, and it was like, I don't know, probably like 7:15, and I might as well just record the video now. So now I'm recording the video. Ta-da! The rest of the night is probably going to look like math, and tomorrow morning is going to look like, more math. Oh, I'm going to have to start on the new section of chemistry. Yeah. Lots of math tomorrow, then more work, and then I practice math until I take the exam. And then hopefully I do fairly well on the first try, because the math exams are the only ones I'm allowed to take multiple times. I can take them Friday and Saturday, and I'm hoping I can just do like another 80% on Friday, so Saturday can actually be stuff I want to do, as opposed to stuff that I'm obligated to do in order to maintain my grades. So that's everything for tonight. I'm going to go deal with math. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.